Get ready because I'm going to show you how we can increase an average store's customer paid sales by almost $2.5 million. These numbers represent the realistic increases we achieve with our professional service advisor training and complete management support. If your shop has an effective labor rate of $150 and we start off by showing your team how to increase each ticket by an average of 5/10, then you are increasing each repair order by an average of $75. If your shop averages 60 repair orders per day, we are now increasing your daily revenue by $4,500. Now let's assume you're open 25 days per month for an annual increase of $1,350,000. This is a huge number, but we're still not done because we have to consider our parts increase. If you have an 80% parts to labor ratio, we can add another $1,080,000. So our grand total is, are you ready for this? $2,430,000 annually for a shop that does 60 repair orders per day. We will not only increase your sales, but we are experts at increasing your customer satisfaction scores and online reviews, along with customer and employee loyalty. I'm sure we have a training option that will meet your needs. We can turn your service advisors into high-producing professional service consultants. Please call today for a personal consultation. Thanks so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.